can't really explain it. I fucked it up with my main bitch. How you leave a nigga ballin' like Cambridge? You ain't speaking my language. It's like you still on some lame shit. And I heard that nigga
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be that's really ugly. That's really ugly. I hope you guys are having a good day today. Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm gonna show you guys how I pluck my curly wigs, because you guys need to pluck your curly wigs because it's gonna look very wiggy at the front. Since curly wigs are always so like big and thick, well, most of them, you want to make sure that you're plucking your wig properly, because if you don't pluck it, it's gonna be very dense in the hairline. It's gonna look weird unless you get it pre-plucked or like send it to somebody to get plucked. But anyways, I'm showing you how to customize your wig by yourself. It's gonna be up close and detailed, so make sure you have your wig with you. This is a video for if you want to have your wig with you and following along with me. And yeah, so this is the end result of the hair being plucked and everything. As you can see, it's looking very good. So I'm going to show you how to get your lace nice and plucked. And this is Beautyforever hair. This is their box. It came with a wig cap and also an adjustable band that you can put inside of your wig. So this is their, this is their 20, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I do not know what length this is, so I'm gonna have all the details down below. And let's get started. I don't want to ramble along too much. Okay guys, so I'm just starting off by showing you the wig off of my head. This is the hairline. It's very dense, so I'm gonna show you how I pluck it. You're gonna need a white towel. I'm just using this t-shirt that I use to dry my hair. I have two different tweezers. I got these tweezers from my local beauty store, and a random comb. So I'm putting the t-shirt on my knee, and I'm gonna put the wig on top of the t-shirt. So now it looks, this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right here is taking out the front section using the comb, obviously. And once I part that section, I'm gonna pluck the hairline, making sure that I don't stay in one spot for too long, or even if you do stay in one spot, make sure that you're not plucking so much to where it's going to bald. So make sure you're plucking out more at the sideburn area, and then just work your way up the hairline, thinning it out until it looks natural. And because you have that white t-shirt or towel, is going to make it easier for you to see what a natural hairline looks like. So always keep plucking behind the hairline, so don't stay too much in one spot at the front. Keep taking your tweezers and putting it behind. So every now and then use your comb to comb out the hair so it's not tangled. And this is curly hair, so you don't want to pluck too much and leave it all tangly right there, because it's gonna rip the hair. And this is very self-explanatory, so I hope that this is helping you out. And make sure that the tweezer is facing frontward. Make sure that the pointy side is not facing back. It should be easy to glide the tweezer onto the lace. And as you can see already, the hair is thinning out very nicely. This takes me about 25 minutes to pluck this wig. So I'm going to play some music and you guys can follow along with me. I'm just going up the hair, and when I get to the temple area, that's where I'm going to thin out the most, but you're going to see that as well. Okay guys, look how big this hair is. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and tame. Oops. I'm gonna go ahead and tame the hair. If you want to see a more detail, ow! I just hit the back of my foot. If you want to see a more detailed video on how I tame my hair, I do have a wet look video. That's basically how I moisturize the curly hair, so I will link it up here so you guys can check it out. I'm gonna link like my edges tutorial videos of me putting my wig on, just because this is not really a video of me putting the wig on, because I have so many videos like that. I don't want it to be every video of me putting the wig on. I feel like at this point, if you support me and you're subscribed, you're already seen those videos. So maybe like the next video that the next couple of hair videos that I do, I will put me putting it on, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, this is how big the hair is looking. So good. So I want to go ahead and tame it, but I didn't want to use water, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water in my hand. I put some tap water in this bottle just because I cannot find my spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and use some mousse. I feel like water ain't doing it for me. My mousse is almost done anyways. And I don't even have cornrows under this wig. I literally have my hair in 4 big singles. I just want to define the ends again, because I do want to wear it big, but I just want it to be more tamed. So this is one side. As you can see, it's still big, but it's more tamed. I need to fix my sideburn area. It's still big, but it's more tamed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. And just by me doing hair so much, and me always, I love curly hair, I can already tell you that this hair will tangle in the back. So bear in mind that this will tangle in the back. I'm just telling you right now, just because I just love curly hair, so I can just tell you off rip which hair is gonna be tangly in the back and which isn't. So I recommend that you take some mousse and put it at the back of the wig, like the back right here, and don't break up the cast that the mousse is gonna leave. Just leave it in the cast and the wig is gonna be fine, okay? And this is the other side, nice and tamed. So you can see this is like a different look. It's like still big, but it's nice and the curls are defined. I'm gonna leave all the specs for this hair down below so you guys can check it out and see everything. This is a 13x4 lace, so it stops right here from here to here. And that's Beautyforever hair. I will have the links down below if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. I know I keep preaching about this Zara haul, you guys. The freaking footage was corrupt. I'm probably still gonna post that, or I'm gonna think about it tonight. It's a quick video though, so just subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I don't mean to be having this shit be anticipated so much, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.